This is this one. This is our ears. Let's see.
Ear.
Yes. So where is your ears? Can you point to your ears?
Yes.
Where is your ears? Your ears is in this one. This. Yes, very good. So this is our ears. But today, so we will talk about animal ears, which is the ears of the animals. So now let's go to our next page and find out what are those one. Okay, let's go to our next page. Okay, so we have here some words that describes the pictures. So now let's go with our first picture. Do you know what animal is this, Langqua?
Mm, nose.
This is a zeb,
Ear. His
zebra.
nose.
Yes,
Zebra.
very good, Langqua. So this is a zebra. So now let's look at their skin. What can you see in their skin? Is it long, small, striped, round, big, pointed, spotted, or ear? What do you think is the right word?
Long.
Are you sure it is long? So when we look at the zebra, so the zebra, its skin is striped. So
Right.
meaning, yes, so meaning its ears are also striped. So
Strap.
yes, so its body covering, it has black. What color is this? What color is in its skin?
Black and white.
Yes, black and white. So the zebra, it has a black and white stripes. So for our word here, so we describe it as stripes. We call their skin as stripe. So let's say striped.
Rice.
Okay, one more time. Striped.
Just rice.
Yes, very good. So now let's look at our second picture. Let's look at its ears. What can you see in its ears?
Rabbit.
Yes, it is a rabbit. Very good. And
Pig.
what big? Very good. It can be also big. But what do you see? It is very
Pig. As
big,
small.
big and so when we look at the ears of a rabbit, so
Long.
it has a long ear. So very good. So we describe the rabbit ears as long. So it
Long.
is, yes, very good. It is long. Now let's look at our third picture. Let's look at
People.
people. Yes, very good. So this is a people or person or human. So what okay, so Danko, what do you call this body part of the people? What do you call this?
Horse.
What is this? What do you call this part of our body?
Strong.
This is ears.
Ears. Ear.
Yes, so this is the ear. So humans, so we have a human ear. So we have ears. So we
Ear.
call this, yes, very good. We call this ear. So next, let's go to this next animal. So let's look at its
Boy.
ears. Wow, very good. What is your answer? It is
One. One. This.
point. Yes, wow, very good. So the ears of this animal is pointed. Do you know what animal is this? Yes or no?
Yes.
What animal is this? This is, so we call it as this one. Can you read this one?
What rule?
This one. It is caracal.
Draco.
Yes, so it is a kind of cat. So it has a pointed ear. So wow, very good. Next, let's look at this next ear. So what can you see in its ears? Is it
Small.
wow, very good. So this ear is small. Do you know what animal is this?
Monkey.
Yes, it is a kind of monkey, but we call it as
Gorilla.
yes, very good. We call it as gorilla. So it has a small ear. So very good. So now let's look at our next animal. What do you
This is
see in
long.
its what do you see in
Long.
its it is
Spice.
ra is it spotted or round?
But
Are you sure? So
no,
let's
no, go.
no, they are round. Yes, very good. So let's look at its ears. So as you can see, it is round. So this animal has a round ears. So we call this animal as this one, African
African we
flat.
dog.
Very good. Now let's read this word again. Let's say wild.
Why
Yes, very good. So it is a kind of dog, but it lives in the wild. So next, very good. Next one. What do you call this in the skin of the animal? It is
spotted?
yes, very good. So this a type of skin in the animal, it is spotted. So very good. And for our
Tiger.
last
Tiger.
animal,
Tiger.
what is that?
Tiger.
It is big. Let's say big. Big.
Big elephant.
Yes, wow, very good. This animal is an elephant and it has a big ears. So good job. So now let's find out more of these animals or the ears of these animals. Let's go to our next page. Okay, let's read this one. Dakwa.
This elephant have big ear.
Very good. So this elephant has big
Ear.
ears. Yes, so this animal is or have big ears. So now teacher has a question. Can you read our question?
Elf.
Do you know? This one, let's read. Do you know?
Ear.
Can you see this one? Do you know other?
Not.
Okay, do you know other animals with big ears than kwa? Yes or no?
Yes.
What animals do you know that has big ears?
No.
What animals? Let's look at our animal. This one. What animal is this?
Ear answers.
This is
Rabbit.
rabbit. Very good. So one example that we have that has a big ears is a rabbit.
Rabbit has long ear. Cats have 10 ear dents.
Yes, so very good. So rabbits, so they have long and big ears, which help them hear danger. So that is the use of big ears. So next, let's go to our next page. Okay, let's read this one. This,
River a small ear.
very good. So let's look at its ears. What can you see in its ears? It is
Small.
small, very good. So now, do you know other animals with small ears? Yes or no?
No.
No. How about this animal? What animal is this?
Goat ear.
Gorilla. Very good. One more time. Let's say gorilla.
Goat
Gorilla.
Gorilla.
Yes. So now let's read. Gorillas.
Gorillas. A small ear. Close to their hair.
Yes. Very good. Now let's read this word again. Let's say heads.
Heads.
Yes, very good. So this gorilla, like this beaver, so it has a small ears. So this is another example of an animal with small ears. Next. Okay, let's read. The
This
fox. This
is
fox.
fox. As boy points to ears.
Okay, very good. So now let's read this word again. Let's say pointed.
Pointed.
Yes, very good. So now, do you know any other animals with pointed ears? Dankwa? Yes or
No.
no? No. Okay, let's have an example. What animal is this, Dankwa? This one. What animal is this?
Cats. Cats.
Cat. Very good. So this is another example of an animal that has a pointed ears. So cats.
Pointed.
Yeah, so let's read this one.
Cats
Cats.
have boys ears. Cats have them here. Teeny short. Teeny
Okay, very good. Now let's read these words again. Let's say pointed.
pointed.
Very good. This one is tiny.
Shiny.
Yes, perfect job. So another animal that has pointed ears is a cat. So next, let's go to our next page. Let's read this one.
This bird has one ear.
Okay, very good. This bear has round round ears. Now, do you know other animals with round ears? Yes or no?
Yes.
What animals do you know that has round ears?
No.
No. No? Can you hear teacher?
No.
Ah, you can't hear me? Can you hear your teacher? Yes?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So now let's look at our example. Do you know what animal is this?
Hamster.
This is a,
Hamster.
yes, hamster, but we call it a
Mouse.
mouse. And also hamsters. So hamsters also has a round ears like the mouse. So this is another example with animal or an, of an animal with round ears. So this mouse, it has, so let's
Mouse.
read this one. It has tiny,
Mouse tiny. Have tiny round ears. Has much to small stars.
Yes, very good. So this is our another example of an animal with a round ear. So very good. Next, let's go to our next one. Let's read.
This cat has striped ears.
Okay, very good. So now let's read this word again. Let's say striped.
She's right.
Striped. Striped.
Stripes.
Yes, very good. So we call it stripe. So now, do you know other animals with striped ears? Yes or no?
No.
No. How about this animal? Do you know what this animal is? It is a zebra.
Zebra.
Yes, very good. So let's read. It's
Zebra is whole body is covered is in black and white stripes.
stripes. Very good. One more time. Let's read these words. Let's say covered.
Covered
Yes, covered and stripes.
stripes.
Very good. So now let's look at this animal. So the zebra, so it has a black and white stripes. With in their ears, it is also black and white stripes. So like this cat. So this is a wild cat. So it has a stripe ears. So these are the examples of the animals that has striped ears. Okay, so next, let's go to our next example or next animal.
This puppy has spot this ear.
Okay, very good. So now let's read this word again. Let's say spotted.
Spotted.
Very good. So now, dangqua. Do you know other animals with spotted ears? Yes or no?
No.
No? How about this animal? Do you know what this animal is? This
Tiger.
this is it a tiger or a leopard?
Leap.
Yes, very good. So a leopard, so it has, let's read this one. Leopards,
Leopard has paw
spotted.
spoil
Spotted?
spotted. Spotted for as offered their parties.
Okay, very good. So now let's look at the skin of the leopard. So it has spotted. When we say spotted, so it looks like this dog. So this is a Dalmatian dog with spotted skin. So its ears, so it has round spots on its print, like this leopard.
Relax and white.
Yes, very good, black and white. How about the leopard? What is the color of its spots?
Relax and white.
Black and white also. It is gold
And
and
black.
gold and black. So these are the color of the spot of the leopard. So very good. Now let's have this animal. Let's read.
This rabbit has a long ear.
Very good. So now, Dangqua, do you know other animals with long ears? Yes or
No.
no? No.
No.
How about this animal? Do you know what animal is this? This is, we call this animal as donkey.
Donkey.
Yes, we call this animal as donkey. So let's look at its ears. It has similarities with the ears of the rabbit. So it is long. So long ears. So next, let's go to our next animal. Let's read this one.
The Tortoise has ear.
Okay, very good. So now let's look at the ears of this animal. Does it have ears? Yes or no?
No,
No, very good. So this animal has no ears. So next, let's have this question. So do you know other animals with no ears?
no.
No. How about this animal? Do you know what this animal is?
Snake.
Yes, very good. So this is a snake. So let's read this one. So they don't have.
Snakes, they don't have outer ears. Only inner honest ears. We brush the earth
Okay, very good. Now let's read this word again. Let's say once.
once.
This one is vibrations.
Vibrations.
Yes, very good. Perfect. So this animal, like a seal, snakes don't have outer ears. So they only have inner ears. When we say inner, so it is inside of their body. But they only feel vibrations, it's like vibrations. So these are the animals or examples of the animals that has no ears. So next, what animal is this? Zakwa.
Elephants.
Elephant. Very good. So now let's answer this one. What do
Elephant. Elephant use big ears
wow,
to
very
drive away insects.
yes, very good. So elephants use big ears to drive away insects. Good job. Next, let's go to our next animal. What animal is this?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Very good. So now let's answer this one.
Rabbit is long ear
Wow,
to
very
run and run away.
good job. So rabbits, so they have long ears. Good job. Next. Okay, what animal is this? This is
It
Sib.
is zebra.
Yes, very good. Now let's answer. What ears do they have?
Zebra
Has what has
long.
stripe? This one,
Striper.
striped ears. So they have like their body coverings. So zebras has striped ears. So next, very good. Next, what animal is this?
Fox.
Fox. Okay, what ears do they have? Fox
Fox has small ear and no
is boy. What do you call the ears? That is point,
Why? Boy.
pointed. Let's say pointed.
Oranges.
Yes, now let's read this one. Fox has
Oranges. Boy is
ears. Very good. So they have pointed ears. So next. Okay, what animal is this, Dankwa? This is a
ear. She
seal. Very good. So now let's answer. Seals.
has no ear.
Wow, very good. So
Mm,
seals has
mm,
no ears to
mm,
swim. Can you read this one?
mm.
Seals has.
Seal has no ears to swim easily.
Wow, very good. So seal has no ears to swim easily. So very good. Wow, for answering this activity. So I can see that you understood the different types of ears that animals has. How, for this one, so this will be the end of our lesson for today, Dangkwa. So I can see that you really understood our lesson for today. However, I noticed that for the word stripe, so you forgot the word or you forgot the this kind of animal ear. So stripe, only the stripe and the pointed. So teacher suggests that after our class, so you will study the animals that has striped and pointed ears so that you can familiarize yourself, okay, with these animals, okay, or with these animals that has striped and pointed
Or
ears. Okay, okay. Okay, so this will be the end of our lesson. So thank you so much, Dankwa, and see you again soon. Bye bye.
bye bye. See
Bye
you again.
bye. See you. Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you again.